K was my absolute nemesis when I started. I hated it. And so for that reason, I originally avoided it. And then I realized I hate it. I really need to practice it the most so I get to a place where I don't hate doing it. And actually now I don't hate it at all. So for this first letter K, you are going to come down with heavy and just light a little bit at the end there just to give it a little detail. And then traditionally with the letter K, this is an upstroke and this is a downstroke. This is one where I break the rules quite a bit on both my capital and lowercase letter K, just to do what I think looks visually appealing. So that one, if you remember, we practiced kind of some drills like that. That comes into play here where we're kind of starting light, but quickly transitioning to heavy to kind of get that style. And that'll take you some practice and that's okay. So light, heavy, light, kind of quickly there. For the lowercase K, we're going light and around to heavy. And then this one is more traditional where you're light, heavy, light, and then heavy, light. Versus down here, I keep this part all one width, and that's less traditional, but I prefer this look. I'll show you that on this one. So again, with this, we were heavy to a slight light to kind of give it an exaggerated style. And then, so for this one, I'm gonna do light to heavy for our main stroke, and then I'm gonna keep that light and then keep that light as well. And that breaks the rules, but that's okay because that's just a stylistic choice that you're making in your work. For this letter K, we're gonna do some curves. So we're gonna start light, heavy, light. And again, that kind of simple, quick pressure transition where you're light to heavy fairly immediately, and then heavy, light. For this one, we'll do light to heavy for that first stroke, and then I'm gonna keep everything light, and then I'll change it up on this second one. So again, light, heavy, light, quick transition, pressure change, heavy, light. And then, so for this one, what we could do is light, heavy, light, and then heavy, light. So this one again is following the traditional rules. This one is breaking the rules to get a more sweet and delicate style. Both are appropriate given the situation that you're doing calligraphy for.